Hello there, it is Jade Scarfoni, the Aussie Adventuress here, and in today's video I want to show you how you can create landing pages to share your free lead magnets. So in a previous video I gave you some ideas for different lead magnets you could create to start building your email list and generating high quality leads which can potentially turn into customers. But the real key to this is that you need a landing page to collect their emails. You can't just simply send a link straight to the free content or you're defeating the purpose of making it. So what I want to show you is a few examples of lead magnets I've created, and then I want to show you how to do it yourself. So if we look at Instagram, and I'm showing you Instagram because this is my primary lead generation tool. So when you come to my Instagram account, you'll see that my bio explains what I do, and then my call to action is that I have a free web class, and if people click on that link, you will notice it doesn't just take them straight to the free web class, it actually gives them a little bit of a description of what they can expect in the masterclass, and then it gives them the option to register for it. So then this is how I collect their name and email, and that is how I'm able to keep in contact with them even if they don't watch the masterclass straight away or don't purchase from the masterclass. I have a way to keep in touch with them and build a stronger relationship and get that know, like, trust factor. Same goes with my blog account. This is my Aussie Adventuress, my branded account, and you'll notice here that it says get your free ebook. And again, when they click that link, it doesn't take them straight to my ebook, it takes them to a landing page where they need to enter their name and email, and then they will get my ebook delivered to their inbox. So now I want to show you how to actually create these pages. So I use a platform called Clickfunnels, and I highly recommend Clickfunnels because it is made by marketers for marketers, so they truly understand our needs. They have the best support team I've come across. They have really great user-friendly templates. It's so simple to use, and it really just has the best conversion rates. So I have used platforms like Leadpages and GetResponse Forms before, and they just don't convert as high. There's just something about Clickfunnels because it is truly designed for marketers. So what they create is a much better converting platform because it's faster, it's got better templates and all kinds of things that just make it better to work with. And one of the best things is they have a free 14-day trial. So you can come in, test it out, see if you like it, and then really decide if it's for you or not. And if you look under this video, you'll see that I have the link for you to be able to go straight to that free trial and test it out for yourself. So I'm just going to take you into my account, and you'll see that I've got a lot of stuff in there. So never mind that. What I want to show you is how to build a funnel. So this is what you would essentially be doing when you come in, and you'd come to create new funnel, and our purpose is collecting emails. So you choose that, you give it a name, and then you build your funnel. And you'll see that the funnel steps is a landing page and a thank you page. So now what you can do is, if you're starting to panic and think, oh my God, now I have to design stuff, it's okay, because now you come in here and you'll see that they have a range of templates here for you to choose from. And the best thing is they are designed for marketers. So like I said, they've already got all of these things for you. So if you were to search the templates and think, okay, I've got a ebook that I want to promote. If you type ebook, you will probably find templates that already have ebook design. So you don't even have to worry about designing the template. They're already done for you. My internet's just a bit slow, but you'll see them coming up in a second. But even if you just scroll through, you'll see. So there's an ebook funnel. You've got reporting, you've got video ones, so that would work for webinars, ebook there. So you've got all these different options in here. So you can just scroll through and see what you like the look of, and then you just go in and edit it. So because I'm talking about an ebook, I'm going to pick one of the ebook ones. So you just select the template, then it will load up, and then you literally go in and edit it, and it is that simple. And then all you need to do is take your link. Now, as you'll see, it's got a ClickFunnels link, so you generally don't want to put a ClickFunnels link straight on Instagram or something, so then you would do something like go to GoDaddy, buy a domain, and then use a redirect or add your domain inside ClickFunnels. They've got a section for you to add your domain. So then you would see, if I was to go to my settings, I can actually pick my own domain. For example, if I did that and then save my settings, and then that way, rather than going to an ugly ClickFunnels link, that is how I get those links that I have on my Instagram account, where you saw that I had aussieadventurous.com and livelikejade.co, but they are going to ClickFunnels pages. So that is how you make beautiful landing pages using this really great platform, and that is how you build an email list the right way and really start generating quality leads into your email list. And as usual, if you like what you see, then feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you are thinking, whoa, I would love to have more training on all this kind of stuff, this is exactly what we teach inside Summer Affiliate, which is the training platform that I use and the place where I have basically learned everything I know about online marketing. So if you are looking for mentorship and training and regular support and a real community of people who can help you create all this kind of stuff that you need for your business, then look no further. The link to join us is also under this video, so you can get started with our social media bootcamp and really start learning how to apply all these techniques and strategies into your own business. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a fabulous day.